You would even think say there was a hurricane up at this place, I mean, I tell you. Today on Monday, I say I come in on Monday, I say I can buy a ticket. And this time around, I go take the bus to the airport. I backside look at it lock to blood cleat. Hopefully they not lock, or they not lock. Yeah, they not lock at all. Good afternoon. Hopefully the machine works, so I can buy a ticket. Can take a bus this time around because it's a late flight. May have a seat. Good afternoon. The card machine work? Um, Gonna have trips for Saturday? Kingston. What are the times you have? 6:05 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. So the 9:30 bus, what time you reach at Kingston? 11:30. Right at the airport you can go? No, what time is the flight? 3 o'clock. So the bus, you know, have a connected vehicle bring it to the airport itself? What's your email address? The hot chef at Gmail. I think you don't want a ticket to, you know. Come if I did get to go on it. If you have that. A long time, it's about 1 year or more. It's valid for 6 months. Yeah, that they reach me. I never get to come back for it. Yeah, I pay card. Alright, thanks. Have a good day. So I just come knocks for there, so it's much light in my camera. Just come down here and come purchase a ticket to go to the airport because it's an afternoon flight and it makes sense I spend almost 10 grand for go to town, whereas I just pay 4,000, well, 3,200 and then 1,300 because of 2 bus I got to take to connect it to the airport. You see me? So that's it. I link up back soon. I couldn't know what I go on that time. As I'm saying, today on Monday and a Saturday the flight. Is it? Flight day, Saturday, the 8th. I take a bus now. So you come and then tell me something for there from 9 o'clock. I reach up from about 8 o'clock this morning and the bus just come 9:30. And if you leave 9:30, you know say you go pack and luggage and all of them things. You see me? Can't manage the foolishness. So you go see me load up just like deal with the thing for the plane. See? Just give me a ticket and step on. Okay, fine. So enough full of people. Oh, people are from way down so. So I just do my side. Now go way back. Oh, yes. You there right so? Mm-hmm. Somebody else beside you? No. Okay. Alright, so we just go left out now.
Okay, morning time passengers just sitting on your customer transportation officer this morning. Now we're traveling from Mandeville to Kingston. We have one more stop, which is Jamaican, and from there it's into Kingston. We have a few features on board. We have our restroom located to the center right of the unit. So with that said, it's now time to sit back, relax and enjoy. Let me take you to your destination in comfort and style. Thank you.
Alright, so we drive out now from Mandeville to Kingston. 2 stop. We're gonna make 2 stop because then I bring us straight to the airport, right? So this I bring you at one point and then I take a next bus from this to the airport. So I'll drive through Kingston right now, man. I tell you. Up as I look at no hurricane pass. All them banana tree turn up, they must know it's serious. Okay? Yeah man. All them banana tree, man, I tell them nothing. Not even like a common grass on the roadside no blow down. Them blessed, man. I tell you, I mean nothing. I tell you, look at no hurricane pass up as so. Got no farm or hurricane pass at Kingston. That's crazy. So that's how you have one side of Jamaica mash up and then one next side just look normal. That's crazy. Don't say you not see blasted leaf in that face. You overseas in Manchester because they treat them not no leaf. Because just the vegetation stand up same way. just pull up at Kingston. Time is not bad. Right now 11, quarter after 11, we'll leave out about almost 10 o'clock. So not bad. Almost one stop in a Maple side. One thing off. About an hour and a little bit drive, not bad. Do I stop in a Carlessa, Maple. So what am I going to do now? I have to jump on a second bus right there, so that will bring me to the airport. So I'm checking. Morning for Kingston Airport. Sorry, I said 12:15. Where do I go?
To the gas store here, no what you're in front.
Alright, thanks. Say bus. Leave over here, you know, boarding lounge. Yes, so there now in the boarding room at Kingston. We have an next hour to wait before the other bus will go straight to Kingston. And so that bus is at 12:15. Right now it's 11:21. I left Mandeville around what time I left Mandeville this morning. They said at 9:30, but the bus come late, so I left about 9:45. Took us an hour or so to reach Kingston. But I tell you now, big man thing, Kingston look like they don't get no form of hurricane. Right now we have two Jamaica, because they Senti, Westmoreland and them place them mash up like an atomic bomb drop down there literally. Kingston, if all them from them banana tree in a drop, you know them intact. Big man thing. So Kingston bless two different Jamaica we have. So for the people who see I give back to the western side of Jamaica, big up on yourself, because you know live up here, so when you could have the as where them say on the high house and the business nobody, because Kingston literally alright. Again, when I see the whole of Kingston, but for what I see so far, especially in the city, no damage when I see. One little tree I see so, like chop down and that dry up, so you know, so then cut it down prior to the hurricane. The common grass on the roadside, nah man. You see me so? Kingston, I don't give thanks. Because I tell you if anything they drop up here, I eat that. Anyway, I go and wait so. Eat some biscuit, drink some water, I go and do it in the flight. It's at 3:30, so I still have a good amount of time, you see me? I go use the restroom and them thing there and do the right as I say, so check back in. I go and wait. They're at the Knoxford location, then I go bring me from right there, so and take us to the airport and thing. The bus should be coming in 5 minutes, they said. Probably one of them two buses park up still, but they just work on schedule, so they're not ready. But yeah man, I still have to reiterate how Kingston look well intact, friends. I don't see that one roof. Look there. All a new building where up at the start built. See right sir? The scaffolding, nothing no drop. I probably need to take it down during the hurricane, but everything intact at Kingston, man. You would even think say there was a hurricane up at this place, I tell you. Wait for the bus to forward now. So we can show out. You see it? Morning, our Grafton. Thanks. So Kingston on this one. Alright, that's it. Alright, that's it. Alright, so I'm on the Kingston bus and now I connect back up to the airport. I reach me to know where I'm going. It's a smaller bus, you know? Just pull up by airport now. Nah, I go like to I couldn't for time. I come my yard. I do I know what? Oh. Every time I come here, the worst thing for me when I leave. Yeah, man. On my flight there. You see my airline yet. Well, we at 3 o'clock still, but I have to go and see if I can look for them, you know? But yeah, they're out there. How them there? Probably in the way down there, so. You know, see them now up there, so. Yeah, we go now heads up as to go on pretty soon, right? But for some reason, huh? But for some reason, he give me a different seat. Manners. Alright. Huh? I selected, I think 9 before, but this time it just randomly gave me 30. Yeah, I paid for it the first time. Alright, respect, yeah? Manners and respect, man. Yeah. I know, man, I'm there long. Alright. I'm not here.
I'm not seeing that.
Seeing what they see? No, I extend my flight, you know. So the first time I did do it, it was paid for. The seat was selected. Alright, so I just check in. And I go through, you know. That's the thing. When I travel, I just like to have my bag on my back. Because that way, I just push through fast. You know what I say? I have to go through all of the hassle of weighing bag and taking out and not even waiting, you know, sometimes I wait at the kiosk for your suitcase come around, I don't have to do all of that. You jump in and jump out. That's what I say. Go on a show. Airport not busy today at all, but I say mash up. I don't see nothing with mash up here. Up here looks solid. So I just passed through then kind of stopped me a while ago and search my bag, but I know say I true I have my protein shake in it. Any powdery substance I'm going to check, you know. Airport look good. I say I can show even. Inside I look good like nothing never do it. Roof good. I say I can show outside with the roof them out there. So. Because to me, I don't see no damage going. You see me? Although they could have patched it up still, but see it there? I don't see no problem out there. Respect. So I stop and see if I can get some food for you. Because I know I need for morning food too. Yeah, them hot turkey are bad. The pineapple this I can't touch that. Bad. Some wicked hot turkey, man. Big up the artist them. In the airport they do it, you know. See, as I said, I said no damage done to the airport, you know. Not a damage. Me no see. The airport looks solid. Probably a Montego Bay airport they might talk about. Yeah, most likely they're talking about the Montego Bay airport because Kingston, as I say, it seems as if nothing never happened up this side. And that is a blessing because if the whole of Jamaica, if you take this a hit on my family, I tell you, I don't know how we would have managed. You see what I say? It's a pop barrel and something. Alright, so. I find my gator now. Then take out the track out there, so normally have one running track right there, so then gone with it. Get on the plane now, I tell you say half my plane empty too. No, it's not serious. See that? How I left out today? Half my plane empty. Nobody in the body flight. Yeah, man. They come most to get one seat for myself, but one person just saw them right now, but differently. Plane empty, man. I don't know where I'm going. Nobody not travel after hurricane. But yeah, I call it a day right there, so you know. You see me? After all the people I reach out to me, just know so I don't really have an internet connection like that. I can't even upload a video. When you see this video, you know, I'm the back of Canada. And so come I get to upload them videos. So I watch so much things are going on. As I say, Kingston now look like I get touched by the hurricane, but not the western side of Jamaica. Seem like it's a bomb then drop
And
it
as
to my
well
friend.
as an
So
advisory announcement
if you
for
are
this flight
somebody who
today,
know
we do have someone on
want
board
to
with a severe
donate to the
peanut
thing,
allergy.
check
Let's
out the
kindly
link
ask
in
you
my
please refrain from
description to the
opening or
official
consuming any
government
of your peanut
website
or peanut
where
related
you can
products.
donate to the poor relief fund, and them
Cashews are
place it. Do
okay
not
to be
send the money to
consumed,
nobody
however,
like
any
that,
peanuts or
because
peanut products, please
scammers
do not
will
open or
use
consume
this
them. Thank
opportunity
you.
to scam. You see me? Just use up the right platform them and just do the right thing, man. You see, big up on yourself, enough love for the love. Until next time,
May we now have
safe
your
up on the
attention for the
gravel.
following